Former Finance Minister Ken Ofori Atta remains in U.S. ICE custody after bail denied in immigration case. Pizza to four. You say, NPP for Finance Minister. Now your friend Ken Ofori Atta, or your Finance Minister for 8 years. Now otchere budgeta one mole Bawumia netro. The economic management team no na Bawumia neteso oni sa branti na neteso. Now as a political party, former Finance Minister obeye adwuma ma Ghana. Obeye adwuma ma Ghana no. Obedi Ghana sikasam enim for 8 years. 2024 and a Ghana for hu nyansa to abatia eye MPP aban. Ya to abatia MPP aban and a branti we ekwa abruchiri. Sebi oya Ghana ni a timi. Onya politics Matias ye mode motaika be de politics de utu jimu no politics na ama odwuma bekoso. Politics the bema hospital. Politics the bema unsuo. Politics and the be you yare free ho because Mahama care and the betuma aboa health insurance politics the buy politics and the bema uba school papa ko one kasa politics and the bema pension sikaka into the kwasi atu wa mempe politics menye politics a ujimi na odi bewu tie me no bia politics enti just sit back mo amoso monye politics na mo jimi no udi tie me yeti oman mu ena aban bia baso ena political party na dey aban ne baso no before I did to me mom no ka kire say abranti we friend Ken Ofori Atta the busuani ne president no onim de one omo vice president friend Bawumia no omunim sika totoa mu hu nsem ti o de onya politics ti asoma me ka kire we ena political party no omo wini power no ena omo de abranti we ma say we na betumi atoto Ghana sika sem nyina ye na oman fa ma yekeke Bawumia na and oyom flag bearer no ono na gina mu e ka say we die onim sika 70 yamfa sika 7 nhyɛ nsa na ono ni nya adwuma mbom because Bawumia na eye head of sika 7 to nyina wo Ghana na papa we ohye Bawumia ase because the head of economic management team no omo no mu decide the papa we emfa sika ne nkoye na Bawumia na da no ena Ghana nyina ka say yo yate ena tam Ghana sika 7 upon because of Bawumia's advice no ya tam edema papa we Ghana ni ba ne maame ne papa ya Ghana for obetena Ghana 8 years wan kwatena bruchire da we ntu ankwatena bruchire kwa 2 months da covid time nkwa na covid year na ya de private jet befa no kwa bruchire but 8 years no MPP ne de ne ba ye no wan kwatena bruchire kwa more than 1 month otena Ghana the whole time imbre bi du o yare pa me ka say onja 2 minutes to o se dabi ono de ye ne ma na ontumi nja ne mba eho ema sebio yare nkuye nti ono a behwe yesika so ye ka bibia o so mpene tie mi o de sa wo se onye politics ena abrantie we yesika sam odi yenim one Bawumia edi tutu yesika sam nti Bawumia ma na ideas a na odi yesika sam na ye ena omu free eye to me ana power free omunsem abranti oye Ghana ni a obedi Ghana so one Bawumia be ye adwuma se oyina kumem na odo Ghana eye adwuma ma Ghana de na nka efe se ono ankasa ebetena Ghana na sebio aban foforo edi tumi ahye omonsa na wetumi kura kasem akase na me wo ho no na me ye ni sei adikudi entia na me ye ni sei no eni sei eni nti na ndemu ye sei ya enyeye de na nka efe na nka ye wo ha ne agye na dwenkyere na we pie abeka che Ghana for say time na me ye mo finance minister no musika na me tam ye no we na me de ye we na me de ye in fact some person mo tutuma no a me de me ho meba mama tutuma because imbre bi me ka che Ghana for say ejuma me ye kura me ngi pay abranti we o ka kire o Ghana ha say ejuma o ye ma ye no ongi pay o ye cheye free bonto yanka bibia ena abranti we to me free MPP nsa no ɛna wakɔhyɛ America bibia memeti wabɛhyɛ ha ɛna Ghana for twe no sɛ brafie na ha na wote mfie wɔtwe special prosecutor ka sɛ bra na nsɛm bi asi wɔkyi na obi a na woyɛ adwuma na wonji sika mfiri Ghana for hɔ deɛ na ɛkyerɛ sɛ na wodɔ Ghana krampo kyɛn Ghana ankasa enti bra na nipa bi ɛkeka nsɛm bi wɔ wɔkyi nkrata bi abɛsi wɔkyi a ɛkyerɛ sɛ time na woyɛ adwuma a wonji sika wɔ hɔ as pay no na woyɛ nnwoma bi a ɛmfa kwam enti bra na bɛyi wo ho ano political party na ɛde abrante we ba MPP no ɔmo se papa no mema ne mma tie mi o papa no hyɛ abrokyire ɔmbra bɛyi ne ho ano na ɔmo a ɔmo ne bɔɔ krono no ɔmo kyerɛkyerɛ mu sɛ ɔno deɛ ɔnka ho na ebi asemesi we na yɛyɛ asemesi we de ɔmbra no MPP foɔ ka kyerɛ yɛ sɛ including Bawumia yebusa Bawumia sɛ ɔnkasam na ɛma abrante yɛ mbra ɛmɛkyerɛ sɛ ɔno Bawumia ne abrante we no ɔmo anka mu tira mbom ambɔ ekro no Bawumia sɛ ɔnkasa tie from time a Ghana for kasa abrante we mbra na ɔmbɛyi ne ho ano na yehu Ghana na yekɔ enim so obi edi ebɔne anase ɔno ankasa di adwuma a because ɔse adwuma na ɔno ɔngye sika ebesi nnɛ Mahamadu Bawumia sɛ ɔnka bi na do dan Kweku Annan na ɔyɛ president no ɔno se ɔnka nkyɛ abrante we ne busuani sɛ ɔmbra Bawumia yɛyi ne sɛ party no asa yi ne sɛ ɔndi ɔmanim no ɔno se ɔnka bi nti abrante ne ntena hɔ na deɛ esi nyina ne sɛ abrante we ɛne na mabrokyiri sa oni nkrataa ɛna US police fo akye no ɛna ɔmde na kɔhyɛ abankukum nti me no ka sɛ ɔdane bi ne ho ɔdane dwonso ho ɔda student mattress so ɛkɔ bosom ɛnan enum ni ɔwɔ dan si Ghana ɔwɔ mansion wɔ Ghana ɔwɔ japadeɛ wɔ Ghana ɔwɔ freedom ɛwɔ Ghana ɛnso abrante we sɛ ɔbɛdane bi ne ho wɔ America busa ho sɛ saa party na ɛka kyerɛ ɔmo aho nipa sɛ ɔntena America ndane bi ne ho no die na party ni di sie nipa na wabɛdi party n'anim no adɛnti na ɔnka nkyerɛ ne sɛ ɔmmra na sɛbio Ghana for ensanje party ni ɛndi ɔno so ni efisɛ ɔno Bawumia no ɔne Ofori Atta yɛ adwuma pɛn Bawumia ne sɛ ɔnkasa Ofori Atta nka hɔ sɛsia no ɔda abankukum a yɛakye no ne nkrataa nyɛ broni bifrɛ bibi alien America for sɛ ɔyɛ nipa bi a ɔmo hu ne so ɔyɛ nipa sɛ ɔyɛ aboɔ nti ɔmo de word bi ato so yɛfrɛ no alien kyerɛ sɛ oni akwanya ana oni ho kwan sɛ ɔbɛtena America nti ɔmo akye no ko a ɛna ɔmo de na kɔhyɛ dan bi mu ɛna ɔda ne bi ne ho ɛna ɔda ne dwonso ho ɛna ɔda student mattress so ɛna ama no kuntu unim kuntu yama ne blanket baako ɛna wahyɛ ɛnɛ ɛyɛ America for prison na ɔda prison o sɛ ɔmbra na ɔmometie na no asɛm ɛfiri sɛ mpɛmpɛnso a yɛdui ida sɛ yɛde ne bɛbɔ ɔno ankasa ne kurom anaasɛ yɛde ne bɛtum wɔ ha anaasɛ yɛbɛgyaa no wɔ ha ɛndɛ ɔkɔgyina America judge anim no ɔka kyerɛ America judge no sɛ ɔpɛ sɛ America judge no ɛma ne bail na ɔkɔ fie ɛna America judge no sɛ wo fie wɛn because one woyɛ alien yɛ kurom ha krataa bia ni wa ɛkyerɛ sɛ woyɛ kurom ha ni a wowɔ kwanya sɛ wotena ha enti ɔka kyerɛ America judge no sɛ mepɛ bail akɔ fie ɛna judge no busa no sɛ efie bɛɛ mu na wokɔ upe bail no kyerɛ address a wokom ɛna ɔsɛ memetia no meti hotel me yare me ho mfame enti ma me bail na me nkɔ fie ɛna judge no sɛ ekroma obi ani wa hotel ya na address ɛna sɛ wo yare a saa ice detention prison ha na woda no doctors omo ho nyina yɛ papa kyɛ doctors omo Ghana facility na ɛwɔ ha no hospital facility na ɛwɔ prison ha no ni nyina ye papa chen hospital bi e wo Ghana enti kan wasem yie ana o si o ka judge ni mani nko fie na onko da fie se ne be a yesa frɛ na asem na waba ena judge se da bi wan kasa wo ye alien wo firi krom ha na me judge ni krom atise wo ukrom fo de krata de wechi se omo pe wa chew emo abeyi nsem bia no wo Ghana ena judge ni se onko no kanko da de bini ho onko da ne dwonso ho onko da ne kuntu na se ene ni student matters ne so na onsan kodwene no meka nyansasem bi nkyere no no de enya de obema ni Báil mana kofie ni kuro no kuro ofiri mu no omo hwehwe no enti o mekira de kodie nti a eni se odene ma ni kuro Ghana ose odo a oye adwuma che omo no de na preventing se Ghana ho enya na kono biem ti judge ni se yen sanfa Ken Ofori Atta nkoto ni bini ho unim de ya de ya ne se upon ni bini a oda ho nyina e wo prison ho no MPP phone to me press conference empa ne chew se ombre fie azi wo fie a oye MPP for omo parliament led by the foolish idiot afenyoma ke no omo to me enye press conference nka se Ken Ofori Atta wo kan ye ho wo ye party member wo be di Ghana so wo de Bawumia na be kikire Ghana sikasem brafie. The last time I hear na obi antwa obi akon wo Ghana. Obi anwo obi asekan wo Ghana. The last time I hear me afenyoma ke me bo police ni asum me da ho nenam ha e ma wini ba hemfo so me so nkwase asem. Enti bra MP so mo hyemra. A mo se omo do Ghana ende omo pese Ghana for exes Ghana for se omo do Ghana no. Omo ese Ken Ofori Atta ntra ho. Omo nya press conference over a year now. Omo nya press conference en kan kire Ken say yes brafie. Na be kire Ghana for say wo nya kromfo na party nya kromfo party. Omo say omo nya da. Na do danko Akufo Addo na ni nuanie na odi tumi ni ma na sa branch we ni Bawumia area Ghana sika through their so-called policy and budget no. Na do danko Akufo Addo na imrebi odi adanse kire say branch we ako Harvard, a branch we ako Columbia, a branch we ako Yale, a branch we ni muwoma, and it's the ordinary ma say on the Bawumia hwe sikas no. Na do danko Akufo Addo te Ghana. Wako Afghanistan aba. Onam Ghana na hu num wi. Otumi kikan kwasi asem se ono waye mpuntudwuma. Ontumi mbie na no nka se minnua Ofori Atta bra. Na party na ema dwuma die no party ni pese batumi be kirem adekodie ntia e wo se Ghana for tomaye piso omo se yedi omo sika na do danko Akufo Addo akyekide no ntumi mbie na no nka bibisa wo ye Ghana ni wo mpe politics tie me wo ye kokoku eni ohun wo ye MPP ni tie me Mahamadu Bawumia na one abrantie we eye adwuma bom kokra ndankra etro Ghana budget eka se sika sebi nyina omunom ni mu nyansa Mahamadu Bawumia abeye MPP for flag bearer party na edi Ofori Atta bae na ebe wiaye no kai say ye Ghana ye history mu any history of the world finance minister bi eniwa wedi na abre wi a wedwane akotena abrochire a ye say onu amra ni krom repatriate ombra onu ankasa ni krom no ebi nsida Mahamadu Bawumia bedi flag bearer e was ha party na Ken Ofori Atta ni ye adwuma so na onjipe no we bedi flag bearer ebe sinne ontumi mbie na no nka se Ken Ofori Atta bra na dwuma me ni udi ye no magana fo mbehu se menya kromfo wenwiaye uye adwuma wanji sikampo na Ghana for NG yendi Mahamadu Bawumia na oye flag bearer ontumi mbie na no baako enka sa asem we obedwam on share media enka na adwene say o se okache Ken Ofori Atta say omrefie na no Bawumia nya kromfo. The party NEC National Executive Council in penifo di MPP enim a omo say omo de party no in penifo di enim a omo ka no kura party nya kromfo party no emu baako Owusu Ajiman Michael Kwe J.A. Kufuor, Adokofuor, wine, ebesinde, Atta Kennedy and Bawumia Johnson and Atta Free. None of these people have been able to come out boldly to tell Bawumia, say, we should insist second for that mrefie. Ompe politics. Na mbese mbusa wasembio. Ekofo ebedi Ghana so. Nipa na Ghana money box ni kutano no. A oni Bawumia di djuma no. Ose o Ghana. Nipa na yade Ghana no. Esheni nsemu no. Sika sama ona ne Bawumia edi hu djuma no. Yese ombra onuan krom. Ose oyare yese brafie. Ombra onuan Ghana na odi su 8 years ne Bawumia etoto Ghana sika sam no. Ombra fie keke ose omma. Na wo mpe politics mi busa wo. Die nti na odwini second Ofori Atta se omba Ghana. Die nti na ama Mahamadu Bawumia besinde ontumi nka ho asem. Die nti na nanado danko Akufo Addo ofa Ofori Atta de Bawumia djuma ontumi bie na no ka se Ofori Atta mrefie. Die nti na MPP party mpenifo nyina including Kufuor entumi nkasa officially say eye Ofori Atta mrefie. Die nti na party dankasa omu general secretary ni omu chairman for ntumi nye press conference en kan check Ofori Atta say omrefie na obafie a na obeyini ho a Ghana fo behu se onye kromfo na party ni nye party a eya kromfo party. Die nti na odwen se omu nyina ntumi nye sa. Ompe politics. Me chirawo MPP omu ye wifo. Whether they have been prosecuted or not, they have not been able to justify say omu ye wifo. Say if all that we are saying say Ken Ofori Atta ye kromfo, Akufo Addo ye kromfo, Bawumia ye kromfo, and we are saying say Ken Ofori Atta was the one who was holding the money box. Say ye ka na some person who prove you wrong morally. Why are they all not speaking against Ofori Atta, insisting on staying in America? It is because says center bolt near Ken Ofori Atta. We don't have to go stand in court to know, say, or to prove, say, Papa way on the MPP for from Bawumia to Akufo Addo. We don't need to. Going to court and jailing them is the icing on the cake. But morally, between you and I, Ghana nibia otena Ghana ha 8 years no. Ghana nibia oye nkremoni papa ana oye Kristo ni papa o kano kore no. O pesa Ghana kode nimu no. We will all come to that conclusion that the MPP is a criminal enterprise. Nipa usu oneye ene bekye dipa awoye. Oba ekwa aware a enye de ni ebejae no ana be ma de nsa ebekọ eye de busuafo fie na kire se oba ne nye papa wo eye ne neye ene ne su eno na be ma ne peke ni nyina ka enia ekesi eni a ena otumi tam snap se me de mo ba na ebre no ebre mo. And that is what we are seeing. We don't need to enter court to prove say the party, the MPP party, no, Bawumia ye leader, no, Akufo Addo ka ho, Kufuor ye elders of the party, no, it's a criminal entity. Because Gyamfi say the court cry is not in this case. Don't they owe it to us? Don't they owe it to their God? Morally, can they prove to us say Ken Ofori Atta enya kromfo by telling him to come home? Gyamfi say the judiciary is not working. Attorney General, Gyamfi say na Kufuor na otewo no Akufo Addo na otewo no eye Michael Kwe na otewo no Owusu na otewo no Adokufo na otewo no Bawumia na oye party leader no general say why can't they boldly say Ken Ofori Atta come home? They can't because all of them are criminals. Omo ye wifo Ken Ofori Atta ba for all you know ebi onu Ken Ofori Atta no krampo no jail in air affect no, it will affect all of these people behind the scenes. That is the problem. Ebi krapa Ken Ofori Atta no, he might not end up in jail, but Ken Ofori Atta's presence in court, what is going to happen is that the rippling effect, you know, the neck, the national executives, the flag bearer of the party, majority of them will end up in jail. That is why they are all protecting Ken Ofori Atta. Because if the minority, that every single day on your press conference, they have refused to have a press conference on this, then it means that the minority is not a minority. Also, because what do they represent? And people represented the. We just need Ken Ofori Atta in Ghana. And we all know Ken Ofori Atta about Ghana and your channel beko jail. It's a court process. A process. Ken ba also be for lawyer. Of a lawyer, obeko court said you be a court no. Ken Ofori Atta ba obi an what is second. So why is the party, the leadership, from Akufo to Akufo Addo to even a flag bearer? Say flag bearer now Bawumia no. Say odi no kura kyerɛ ɔno ane nyame or ye chiriwiande muna fiki. Onyankopon Allah odi Bawumia be di e 30 days way sa chiriwia we. Sa Bawumia na yiri beifo na onam nduro so no. Sa Onyankopon kokroko wo soro no. Sa oti nanim na ohwe nkofore no he will strike the wife dead. Unima le kro because chiriwia kro omo ye no e ya tro e no mo ye. Wallahi. Onyankopon kokroko a ohata soro. A onim nipa kumem. Every single day, Samira Bawumia, he spits on her like a pig. And because they are liars, because omu yenkrimufo omu kanukure, because omu munafikis, because Allah akesi omu asasi wesuno. Even in their Ramadan, they cannot be truthful to Allah. Because Bawumia kanukura and this Ramadan season, or person when you made in the body channel, and the channel yemu ma and then a year before na kobe bien and wakachi Yankupon say, Mamindi the Crencher, my Mamindi the Crencher, Yankupon. He would have spoken about Ken Ofori Atta's matter because it is the reason why today he is the flag bearer. But you know something? Because these people are evil, because these people are dirty people, because these people are criminals, they are thieves, they are murderers. The NPP as a political party, omukuni pasre, because they are dirty people. I've not forgotten when he said he wanted the boy to die like a chicken. I've not forgotten that. So remember, I'll remind you every day. These are dangerous human beings. Intimibusao. In your senses, say human being, wosheme, politics, are you going to hand over power to Bawumia? When you hand over power to Bawumia, it is only 2 miyama Ken Ofori Atta. That's all. As simple. Dede bebrebia nim. So otam to me, at the Bawumia nsem. Even when you think about it as a Muslim. Oya asare 5 times a day. Oko juma Friday biano. Quran ne adia otie di onyankopon enumasam ene eyede Muhammad, peace be upon him. Now so udi nukura wo mu a, you will never even think of handing over power of voting for a liar like Bawumia, because all his life and his principles are not the principles of Allah. If you the Muslim won't you want to also enter the same place Bawumia is entering, because Bawumia is a munafiki. They don't speak truth. I have no problem voting for anybody who follows any religion. I don't care. But what I hate is somebody who is a liar from any religion. And Mahamadu Bawumia, they are capital liars. They are munafikis. They are not what you think they are. They are dangerous human beings. And this guy, continuously, consistently, the inconsistency in the MPP's issue discussing this matter, consistently has proven that the party is a party no Ghanaian can trust. I don't care. All I need is Ken Ofori Atta being in Ghana. If it's going to take him 10 years to be in court, I don't care. At least the courts are dealing with the matter. Why is he now pushing away his own homeland, home country? Why is he not interested? Why is Bawumia not interested in bringing Ken Ofori Atta back? Why is he not flying to the States to go talk to Ken Ofori Atta? Why is he doing that? Why is he mute on Ken Ofori Atta's return to Ghana, it is because these are dangerous people. In Tumpe politics, that is the game they are playing with you. In time before story no mu yedede at radio swa. The question is, dear no mu yedede no, it is because they want you to give them power. Then they can set people like this free. There are hundreds of these people we will have to deal with. Now remember, they are wounded now. They are pained. Samira Bawumia no bunko for dangu. She has offended a lot of people. And she's pained because 2 million all pay free Rebecca Akufo Addo the same sanka. And if we make a mistake and allow that devil, I'm talking from experience, allow that devil, that will be the end of this nation. Me, I've got nothing to lose. And I want you people to understand. The NPP is a dangerous political party.
The NPP cannot be underestimated. You know it, I know it. They've been in existence for a long time and have been changing their names up till this day. The nature of who they are. Listen. Munjir. The nature of who they are, what they are, where they've come from, is something they are happy with, and they will be there for a long time. Let's not mimic their behavior. Let us reach into the principles and the values that emerged out of the circumstances that gave birth to us. And if we can hold onto those principles and those values, we will move way into the future and no one can ever defeat us. We will ride and override any obstacle as we did in the past.
That is the NPP for you. And Debia Bekaimo. Debia Mebo. They are a dangerous group. So from Akufo Addo, Owusu Ajiman, Freemore Parry, Michael Quay, whoever, nobody, the whole party, nobody has been bold for once. From Akufo, nobody has been bold for once to say, Ken Ofori Atta, come to Ghana. Ask yourself why. Mahamadu Bawumia saw power, GDA, Yenjinindi to me. He has not been bold to face the media to say, ask me questions about my stewardship and those who I worked with. He's running from the media. Today, Bawumia is running from the media, all because of Ken Ofori Atta. Akufo Addo is running for the media, all because of Ken Ofori Atta. J.A. Akufo is running from the media, all because of Ken Ofori Atta. Owusu Ajiman, they are all running for the media because they don't want to speak on Ken Ofori Atta. Why don't they want to speak on Ken Ofori Atta? Monko bisa Akufo abronsan so. Ya papa Akufo. Yetena kurum ha ma obeye campaign 2024 ma ye say yen continue a year MPP. Yen ma omutumi ntoaso. Bawumia bedi power anka Ken Ofori Atta da ho aban mu. Why have you refused to speak? Not a single interview from Akufo about Ken Ofori Atta. Not a single interview from Akufo Addo about Ofori Atta. Not a single interview from the party general secretary about Ken Ofori Atta. Not a single interview from Afenyomakin, the leader of the Piglet in Parliament, about Ken Ofori Atta. Not a single interview from Bawumia about Ken Ofori Atta. Ask yourself why. Are you not worried? Are you not scared? We need another party from somewhere to come. The NPP is a dangerous political party. Not a single interview. Not a single word. What at all na Ken Ofori Atta kuta, all these people are scared. Kufuor has no balls to stand before Ken Ofori Atta to speak. Kufuor is a child. Or yakwara or Ken Ofori Atta enim. Akufo Addo yakwara or Ken Ofori Atta enim. Ken Ofori Atta hu Bawumia Jimmy. He cannot speak about him. None of the 76 or 67 pigs can come out boldly and speak about Ken Ofori Atta. Ask yourself why. A dear to me nkwana branti wo. A dear pana onima. Nobody in the party. Nobody can speak and say, come home. Ask yourself why. Ask yourself why. Because Ken Ofori Atta Jumadi Odi, you know, all of these people benefited from Kufuor to Akufo Addo to Hackman to Michael Kwe to Fremont Parry to Mahamadu Bawumia and his dirty wife. They all benefited. So ask yourself, why? Why are they all scared about Ken Ofori Atta? Why? Why? What is in there? I want Ken Ofori Atta to come to Ghana and face the law. I don't care how long it takes. So, but why? What is stopping them? A huni free dia. So, you see, sometimes it's not all about party in government, policies, where and your way. It's about the moral, the attitude, what they do. And then about they read what they will do. Listen, what they have done, what they do, you can use that to predict what they will do. And the MPP, what they have done in the past and what they are doing today, you and I can predict what they will do tomorrow if you give them power. And that is what I'm trying to let you understand. So, Mumusa Bawumia, we need a full interview on Ken Ofori Atta. Come and speak to us. You are the leader of the NPP. Why is he scared? Ken Ofori Atta kuta ubia shuum. Anamano okutomonu. Everybody is a dog before Ken Ofori Atta. I'm waiting for one human to speak in the NPP and I'll call you human. I don't care where you are, who you are, how old you are. You have all turned into dogs before Ken Ofori Atta. I want a human to speak and grant an interview and tell Ken Ofori Atta that you need to come because you staying out there basically tells Ghanaians we are criminals. From the top to the now, penipa. Just one human being to be man enough. What has this guy yelled? What does he have? That all of you party etina himfie party ya na nabafo Akoto ti sikate party ya se ya Asante for party a uku apem beba party ene apem adani kodu we want to see men the person whom mema. Is it not interesting and shocking that ye nya obia even their stupid bloggers cannot speak against or question Ken Ofori Atta. They are stupid bloggers. Ask yourself why. It means this guy is the engine of their destruction. Ken Ofori Atta, he tainted everybody. Everybody is tainted. Corruption blood. Corruption blood. Efa obiahu. Everybody is tainted. I thought gabby otchere didn't take political appointment. Why is he that skeleton? Why is he also scared to speak? He's supposed to come on TV and say, Ken Ofori Atta needs to come to Ghana. Please come. Please. Why is he not doing it? That AIDS patient. Why is he not doing it? He's not doing it because Ken Ofori Atta is basically the center bolt. Everybody is implicated in the NPP. This guy gave everybody some of the booty. Otchere obia nyabi. Minya dwa minyo chin. Me say party way. Yetina santimemo. Eya sante kotoko party. Uku apem baba and apem na bre. Emere ya gobe. Meman to min kasa wa Asante. Meman to min kasa wa MPP mu. Obia ye din. We are all see what is happening. And the apem na bre me ya gobe. Emema kasa boaka yem. Ye nananom anam kasa. Se nyoma nkoye wa MPP mu and obia ye din. That is how dangerous this guy has become. But I don't blame any of them. I blame the flag bearer. Mahamadu Bawumia is a liar. in the month of Ramadan, Allah would never open the skies to Bawumia. Allah would never, as far as this dark shadow of Samira is in his life, Allah would never. And whatever Allah creates, no man on earth should even think of destroying. And Allah in his own wisdom would never open the skies to Bawumia and his wife, especially his wife. Ghana for Munjune. You should think. The NPP is a dangerous killing machine. They don't care about you. Into menya politics, I buy it so it is not going to get everything right. But enya kura is a payday. Enya kura no is a payday. In the history of Ghana's politics, yento aba democratically enya buying mo bi engane in free Ghana a finance minister stays out of the country, and the party na man is had to me 8 years no has refused to speak on it. Then you tell me 2028 I should give power to Bawumia. This guy is the NPP president. Bawumia is a toy. This guy, he's the NPP president. He controls the party. And time I say, Bawumia is just a symbol to the Akufo Addo family. On the way, Jimmy Momo, they control the party. They control Bawumia. They know how the party should go. They decide. And Intina, Akufo Addo hunipa samaba, nobody in the party can speak. It shows how powerful the Akufo Addo family still controls the party. Bema Bena or party, why na Bema? Akufo Addo even not being in power, nobody can speak against his cousin. Nobody. From Kufuor to the last messenger. Nobody is able to speak against the Akufo Addo's cousin. Bema no why? There's no ban. He is the party president. I keep telling you people, when you say, more says it, Mamon rush into things. This government, slow but sure, it will deliver. In John Mahama's first term way, he's proving himself. And God and men will decide at the end of the day where we will head as a nation. My name is Kwabena Agyapong.
Thanks for watching. Like and share the video. You can also drop your comment. Please don't forget to subscribe. Click on the bell to turn on the notification.